Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
As you add more slides to a presentation, it can be difficult to keep everything organized. Now, fortunately, PowerPoint offers tools to help you organize and prepare your slideshow. Now we have slide views. Now, PowerPoint includes several different slide views, which are all useful for various tasks. And there are 4 main slide views. As you can see from down here, we have 4. And the first one that we are on right now is the normal view. So this is the default view where you create and edit slides. And you can also move slides in the slide navigation pane on the left. So I can move this and rearrange them. Then we have the slide sorter view. Now in this view, you'll see a thumbnail version of each slide, and you can drag and drop slides to reorder them quickly. So I can drag and drop them anywhere to rearrange them. Then we have the reading view. Now this view fills the PowerPoint window with a preview of your presentation, and it includes easily accessible navigation buttons at the bottom right. So I can move forward and backwards using these 2 navigation buttons. Then lastly, we have the slideshow view. Now this is the view you'll use to present to an audience, and it will have a menu down here where you can use to navigate through the PowerPoint. And it also includes some cool tools such as the laser pointer, pen, and highlighter. To exit this view, I'll just click on escape, then come back to normal view. I'm back to normal view. And you can add notes to your slide from the notes pane that can help you deliver or prepare for your presentation. And now to add notes, just click the notes command at the bottom of your window, this one, and then click and drag to resize the notes pane. Now from here, you can type anything. You can type whatever you want to be teaching. Like, let's say this is teaching about operating system, so I'll explain it to them. Now everything is in caps, so you just do what you want. You can just add any notes over here. Then once you're done, as you print, you can even print these notes out once you're done. So these notes will come in handy when you are presenting your presentation. Now once you're done, you can click this to hide it, and as you can see, you've hidden the notes pane. Again, you can view the notes pane by going to the view tab and clicking on notes page, and from here you can work on your notes on each slide individually, and you can use this scroller to work on different slides at a time. Then go on and add your notes. Then we have the outline view, which is over here, this outline view. I will select it like that. Now what outline view does, it shows your slide text in outline form. Now this allows you to quickly edit your slide text and view the content of multiple slides at once. You could use this layout to review the organization of your slideshow and prepare to deliver your presentation. Now you can make your edits from over here. So I can make edits from over here, and you can see whatever I'll do from here will affect the slide that I'm on. Then once you're done, to exit this view, just click on the normal view command under view tab, and it will take you back to your normal view. Then we have slide sections. Now if you have a lot of slides, you can organize them into sections to make your presentation easier to navigate. Sections can be collapsed or expanded in the slide navigation pane and named for easy reference. So let me show you how to create slide sections. Just go to Home tab, then select where you want your slide section to begin. So I'll select this one, then click on the section command and choose Add Section. Then it will name itself as Untitled Section. Now I want to rename that, so I'll come back to Section command and click on rename section. Then from over here, I can give it whichever name that I want. Then click on rename. And that section will be renamed as software. Now I'll come and add another one from over here. Select the slide where you want the section to begin. Then click on section command, click on add section. It will name itself as an title section. Now you can rename that, just section command, rename section. Then from over here, rename that. Then click on rename. And as you can see, now I have two slide sections. So I can collapse them by clicking on this icon over here and clicking on that. And as you can see now, it looks much less crowded. Yeah, it's easy to navigate from over here. If I want to expand them, I'll just click on this and I'll expand my slides. Now if you want to remove a slide, section, just select this the slide section, then click on the section command and click on remove section, and that section will be removed. Again, you can click on section command and click on remove all sections to remove all sections from your slides.